Ever wondered about the magic of drinking beetroot juice daily? Did you know that just half a cooked beetroot packs more dietary fiber than 2 tablespoons of rice? Or that it outshines bananas with its potassium content and triples the magnesium you'd get from cooked potatoes? Don't skip out on our amazing beetroot juice recipe and the top 8 reasons to sip on this vibrant drink every day. Beetroots, a staple in many diets, have a rich history dating back to prehistoric times. Civilizations through the ages have relied on this vibrant vegetable for nutrition. Ancient uses ranged from dyes and teas to remedies for ailments like constipation, fevers, skin issues, and circulation problems. Packed with antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, and fiber, the beetroot dazzles not just with its striking color and earthy sweet scent, but also with its nutritional powerhouse status. Initially celebrated for its leaves, the true star turned out to be its roots, offering both nourishment and a delightful taste. Its natural sweetness was a significant find, even becoming a sugar source when Napoleon turned to it as a sugarcane alternative during the British blockade. Today, while white beetroot is cultivated in colder climates for sugar, the red variety continues to enrich our meals. Scientific research celebrates beetroot for boosting physical performance and health. But what exactly makes beetroot so nutritious? Despite their low calorie count, beets are a treasure trove of sugar, proteins, vitamins A, B1, B2, B5, C, potassium, sodium, phosphorus, calcium, zinc, iron, and manganese. They're a boon for expectant mothers needing folic acid and an excellent choice for fighting anemia. Despite myths, beets are beneficial for diabetics, thanks to their high fiber content, which helps regulate glucose levels post-meal. Plus, they're champions for eye health, rich in vitamin A for maintaining the cornea, lubricating eyes, and enhancing low-light vision, not to mention their role in preventing cataracts and combating eye dryness. Convinced yet? If you need more reasons to embrace beet juice, we've got 8 compelling ones, plus a deliciously simple beetroot juice recipe waiting for you. Dive into the world of beets and give your body a nutritional boost. Number 1. Reduces blood pressure. Did you know that beetroot can help lower blood pressure within a few hours, making it a good ally for the heart? Recent British research published in the renowned journal Hypertension revealed that the daily consumption of half a liter of beet juice significantly reduces blood pressure. Nitrate, a substance found in beetroot, is the key behind this discovery. In healthy individuals, blood pressure drops an hour after consuming the juice. What's most striking is that this beneficial effect intensifies after 3 to 4 hours and remains noticeable for up to 24 hours after consumption. Number 2. Great for digestion. The large amount of fiber in beetroot is its major advantage for digestion. These fibers normalize the intestinal tract, which is essential for digestive health. Moreover, a substance called betaine normalizes the stomach's acid secretion, enhancing nutrient absorption and preventing issues such as heartburn and reflux. Additionally, when ingested, fibers proceed to the colon, where they serve as food for the gut's beneficial bacteria, promoting healthy bowel movements. This process contributes to the prevention of issues like constipation and inflammatory bowel diseases. Number 3. Fights inflammation. In addition to all the benefits previously mentioned, beetroot combats inflammation as it is a rich source of betaine. This nutrient plays an essential role in protecting cells, proteins, and enzymes against environmental stress. By safeguarding these microscopic structures, beetroot contributes to preserving internal organs, reducing cardiovascular risk factors, and preventing various chronic diseases. Number 4. Weight loss ally. Diet plays a crucial role in weight management, and one of the most effective ways to maintain a healthy weight is by incorporating fiber-rich foods into the daily regimen. Fiber-rich foods such as beetroot help increase the feeling of fullness, which can reduce calorie intake and prevent overeating. Beetroot is an excellent source of dietary fiber and contains antioxidants that are beneficial to overall health. Additionally, beetroot is low in calories and high in water content, making it a perfect snack for those on a weight loss journey. Whether consumed raw or used in unstrained juices, beetroot is a versatile vegetable that can be easily incorporated into a well-balanced diet. Therefore, including beetroot in the daily diet can be an ally in the weight loss process. Its high fiber content can help regulate digestion, prevent constipation, and lower cholesterol levels, making it a healthy and nutritious addition to any meal. Number 5. Anti-cancer properties. Beetroot contains antioxidants that are beneficial in combating cancer. Research on animals documented by the National Library of Medicine demonstrates that an extract derived from beetroot was effective in restricting the proliferation of cancerous cells. Lab investigations confirmed that beetroot extract reduced the proliferation of malignant cells related to prostate and breast cancer. Number 6, enhances brain function. According to various studies, the consumption of beetroot can have a positive impact on brain performance and cognitive abilities. This is because beetroot is rich in nitrates, which are known to widen blood vessels and improve blood flow throughout the body, including the brain. As a result, more oxygen and nutrients are delivered to the brain, enhancing its function and promoting cognitive skills such as memory, learning, and decision-making. Therefore, incorporating beetroot into one's diet can be an effective way to improve brain health and overall well-being. Number 7, detoxifies the body. Beetroot is a true ally for health and beauty. Rich in antioxidants such as betalains and vitamin C, it helps neutralize free radicals, toxic substances that can cause cellular damage. It also acts as a natural detoxifier, purifying the blood. Beetroot juice has proven to be effective in combating boils and pimples, reducing skin inflammation, and acting as an ally in the anti-aging process. Beetroot is an excellent source of lutein, which helps maintain skin elasticity and protects it from sun damage. Additionally, consuming beetroot juice can benefit liver health. Number 8, boosts athletic performance. The spotlight on its nutritional composition in the sports community is undoubtedly due to the abundance of vitamins and minerals, but also because of a specific component, nitrate. According to a study published in the Journal of Applied Physiology in 2013, beetroot has a compound that can enhance the body's nitric oxide production. This compound helps to reduce oxygen consumption during physical activity, which leads to a significant improvement in physical performance. Potential side effects of beetroot. Just like any other food, when consumed excessively, beetroot can have some adverse effects. However, due to its high oxalate content, excessive consumption increases the risk of kidney stone formation. Individuals with sensitive stomachs or irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, should also consume them cautiously, as beets may lead to digestive discomfort. The optimal way to enjoy beetroot is raw. This method preserves its betalain content, a compound that loses its health benefits when heated. While incorporating beets into your diet is beneficial, particularly for their carbohydrate content that's utilized as sugar, it's essential to balance their consumption with a variety of other vegetables. To avoid overconsumption, limit beet intake to no more than 3 times a week or consult a nutritionist for personalized advice. When selecting beets, choose small to medium sizes for their tenderness and richer flavor. Look for smooth, unblemished skin and, if possible, buy beets with their leaves intact. These leaves are nutrient-dense and can be prepared similarly to spinach, whether sautéed or added to soups. Beets are versatile. Enjoy them in salads, juices, omelets, or even cooked with beans. For those looking to enhance their workout regimen or simply boost their energy, we offer a versatile beetroot recipe suitable for a pre- or post-exercise meal or a nutritious breakfast option. Easy beetroot juice recipe to drink every day. Beet, apple, and fennel juice. Caloric value, 65 calories. Ingredients, 1-2 cup of fennel, chopped. 1-2 beet, chopped, including the leaves. 2 apples, seeds removed. 1 cup of water. Instructions, combine all the ingredients in a blender. For an extra touch, add some ice cubes. Enjoy immediately, ensuring the absorption of all nutrients. In addition to enjoying beetroot juice on its own, mixing beetroot with other fruits or vegetables can amplify its beneficial effects. We're curious. Are you familiar with the benefits of beetroot? How do you include it in your diet? We'd love for you to share your experiences in the comments below. Please note, this video is intended for educational purposes only. Consult your doctor for health-related advice. If you find this information useful, please like this video and share it with your loved ones so they too can discover the advantages of daily beet juice consumption. If you're new here, consider subscribing to our channel to support our growth. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you never miss our future videos. For those interested in deepening their understanding of natural remedies and illness prevention, check out the other informative videos that may appear on your screen. Feel free to click on them, or better yet, watch both to continue your learning journey with us. Thank you for watching. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video.